Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to delete all your photos from Google Photos. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So first of all, open your Google Photos and now select the first photo, and you can press Ctrl and you can scroll your mouse to see all of your photos. And all you have to need, just find out your last photo. This is my last photo, and after finding your last photo, press Shift key and now hover over on your last photo and click on select, and that's how you will be able to select all of your photos. And after that, click on delete. Got it. Move to trash, and that's how you can delete all photos from Google Photos. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider a subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.